Hey, do you want to learn some basic two-handed finger tapping? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to play tapping arpeggios, and I'm also going to tell you the notes that are in the arpeggios, and I'm also going to tell you the distance between the notes in the arpeggio. This way you'll know whether it's a major arpeggio, a minor arpeggio, or a diminished arpeggio. Hey, what's up guys? Chris here, helping you take your guitar playing even further. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. But in this video I'm going to be playing tapping arpeggios in the key of C major. So grab your guitars and let's get started. I'll tell you just a little bit of theory. So in the key of C major, the notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. No sharps, no flats. So also if you want some videos to know how to solo, I'll put them right up here above me, or it might be actually on this side. So now I'm going to talk about some interval names. So if you play, that's a semitone, or that would be also called a minor second. Now 1-3, that's called a major second. That's a minor third. If you're doing from the first of 3 notes, the minor third, and then from your first finger you go up 4 frets. That's a major third, minor third, and major third. The two that we'll be talking about will be the minor third and the major third. So you have minor second, major second, minor third, and major third. So the first arpeggio we're going to work with is the F major arpeggio. First finger is the F, 5th fret is the A, and then 8th fret is the C. So first thing you want to do to learn how to play tapping is just tap before you do anything else. First step, just tap. Second step, flick. Tap, flick. I'm over exaggerating the flick just so you get the idea. You don't actually go that far out. Just a little flick. Tap, flick, tap, flick, tap, flick, tap, flick. And then hammer on. Yeah. Third step is hammer on to the 5th fret. So it's tap, flick, hammer on. That's an F major arpeggio. Now go to the 3rd fret. We're going to work with the 3rd fret, 7th fret, and then we're going to tap on the 10th fret. So you have the notes G, B, and D. Same thing. Just tap, pull off, hammer on. Tap, pull off, hammer on. So now, those were major thirds, intervals. Now, minor third interval, which means it's a minor arpeggio. So if you have a major third, and then from here to here is a minor third. So if you have a major third over a minor third, That's a major chord, major arpeggio or chord. So now we have minor third over a major third. Anytime you have a minor third over a major third, it's a minor chord or a minor arpeggio. So you got the notes A, C, and E for an A minor. So first step is tap, flick, hammer on. First step is tap, flick, hammer on. Tap, flick, hammer on. Tap, tap, flick, hammer on. Tap, flick, hammer on. Now we'll go to the 7th fret, 10th fret. That's B, that's D, and F. And that's a B diminished. So you have a minor third and a minor third. When you have a minor third over a minor third, it's a diminished arpeggio or diminished chord. Tap, pull, tap, flick or pull, hammer on. Now we go up to the C, 8th fret, E, 12th fret, and G, 15th fret. First step, tap. First step, tap. Pull off, hammer on. Tap, pull off, hammer on. And I go up 2 frets to the D, then the F on the 13th fret, and the A on the 17th fret. And this is a D minor arpeggio. So you have minor third distance, and then major third. Go up 2 more frets, E, G note on the 15th fret, then you want the B. That's the E minor arpeggio. So tap, tap, flick, hammer on. Oh, tap, flick, hammer on. So you got F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, C major, D minor, E minor, and back to F major, and back to F major. And one tip when playing, if the notes, if the other strings are ringing out, if you're playing and you hear that, take this part of your hand, the palm of your hand, just put your hand over those strings, and when you're playing down here, just kind of have your first finger over the other string but not hitting it. Okay? So if you like this lesson, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.